Hello kids, today again we are here with Social Studies book of class 4. Students, as we were in chapter number 10, India Physical Divisions, and we have discussed about introduction, Indian subcontinent, physical divisions of India. So today we have to begin from the northern mountains. Let's begin. The northern mountains. The northern mountains. This is the physical map of India, and the area in the map which is colored with purple color is the northern Himalayas. The Karakoram range is located along the northern boundary of India. The Jaskar and the Ladakh ranges lie to the south of the Karakoram range. The Himalayas extend along the northern border of India in the form of a great arc made up of parallel mountain ranges. What? The Karakoram range is located along the northern boundary of India. Means this is your Karakoram range. Range is located along the northern boundary of India. Then comes the Ladakh ranges, which is lie to the south of Karakoram range. Then comes the Jaskar range. The Himalayas extend along the northern border of India. This is your Himalayas extend along the northern border of India in the form of great arc made up of parallel mountain ranges. These parallel ranges are, this is the Greater Himalayas, Himdari. This is the Himdari. This one is the Himdari. Then Lesser Himalayas, this is the Himachal. Then the last one is Sivalik. The outer Himalaya is Sivalik. The Purvanchal range lies along the eastern boundary of our country. This is your Purvanchal range, which lies along the eastern boundary of our country. This is the Purvanchal range. This is the Great Himalayas, means Himalayas range. This is the Karakoram range. This is the Ladakh range. This is Jaskar range. Now come to the next, the Great Northern Plains. The Great Northern Plains. Now you can see here in the map, the area in the map which is colored with green color is the Great Northern Plains. The Northern Plains extend from the state of Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. The Northern Plain extend from the state of Punjab, which is in the west side, to the Assam in the east. This is a distance of about 2400 kilometer. These plains are also called the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Rivers which originate from the Himalayas carry large quantity of sediments. As the rivers enter these plains, carry large quantities of sediments. As the rivers enters the plain, these sediments get deposited. Deposited means jama ho jana in the plains. As a result, the northern plains get covered with thick fertile soil, which is good for agriculture. Due to favorable climate and adequate water supply, this region has also been the birthplace of one of the most ancient civilizations in the world, the Indus Valley civilization. Now come to the next, the plateau region. The area in the map which is colored with brown color is plateau region. A plateau is a raised area of land with a flat top and sloping sides. A plateau जो है थोड़ा सा उठा हुआ एरिया ऑफ लैंड है with a flat top and sloping sides. India has three main plateaus. First one is the Malwa Plateau, second is Deccan Plateau, and third is Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau has a triangular shape and is surrounded by the Western Ghat in the west and the Eastern Ghats in the east. The Chota Nagpur Plateau covers most parts of Jharkhand and some parts of Odisha, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. The Malwa Plateau lies in the western part of Madhya Pradesh. Now come to the next, the Great Indian Desert. The area in the map which is colored with yellow color is the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert lies in the northwestern part of India. It is also called the Great Indian Desert. To the northwest of the desert flows the Satluj River. To the east is the Aravalli Range, and to the south is the marshy land of Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. The Thar Desert mainly covers the state of Rajasthan. This Thar Desert, where it lies? It lies in the northwestern part of India. Where it lies? In the northwestern part of India. It is also called the Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert also called the Great Indian Desert. To the northwest of the desert flows the Satluj River. Northwest side, which river flows? Satluj River. To the east, what is in the east side? East side is the Aravalli Range, and the south is the marshy land. Marshy means wet land of Rann of Kutch in Gujarat. The Thar Desert mainly covers the state of Rajasthan. This Thar Desert mainly covers the which state? The state of Rajasthan. Students, today we are discussing up to here only. Kindly read this chapter once again by your own. And your homework is you have to make this physical map in your copy and you have to color the physical features of India, which are divided into 6 broad divisions. Thank you. Have a good day.